And local cricket could return as early as January of next year, as the Jamaica Cricket Association is pushing to have protocols approved for the new year. However, there is some confusion surrounding the vaccination of players following an email sent by the local governing body.
The confusion surrounds an email sent out by the Jamaica Cricket Association asking clubs and parish associations to declare the current vaccination status of their players. It's believed that some coaches are of the view that this is an attempt to restart local cricket with only fully vaccinated players. However, according to JCA CEO Courtney Francis, this is far from the truth. When contacted on Wednesday, Francis said the email was based on a request from the Ministry of Local Government, which should aid in the application process. President of Melbourne Cricket Club, Mark Nita, confirmed receiving the email and says while there might not yet be a decision on the vaccination mandate, that could change.
I think that ultimately the JCA would like to have all players vaccinated. Now, I don't know if this is coming from the government or it's coming from JCA, but in the end, I think that is the ultimate goal, to get all players vaccinated, and this is why they are asking for us to submit this information. Now, I know that some of our players are vaccinated, but it's unlikely that that is going to be a significant percentage of our players. I don't know if, let's say, 10 or 20% is vaccinated and the others are not. Does that exclude them from playing cricket at the JCA level? I'm not sure.
But how far-fetched is the idea that JCA could stipulate that only fully vaccinated players will be allowed to take part in their competitions?
Ultimately, I don't think you can force anybody to do so. You know, there are several competitions, including the CPL, that if you are not vaccinated, then, no team is going to pick you up. So the question is, given what is happening worldwide in cricket and sports in general, if you are not vaccinated, can you participate? In many sports, the answer is no. So if the JCA choose to go that route, then we will see how that pans out.
Teams have been given until Friday to submit the status of all their players to the JCA. So far, only the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, has mandated that all competitors playing schoolboy football must have had at least one shot of the COVID-19 vaccine to play.